In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download backup data in Zoho Books. First, make sure you're signed in and looking at your Zoho Books account. To get to your backups, head to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. From the menu that opens, select Data Management. This is the hub where Zoho Books keeps your backup activity, so it's the place you'll return to whenever you need to check or download your data. On the Data Management page, you'll see your backup history. If you've created backups before, they'll be listed here. Each entry will show useful details: when the backup was created, who triggered it, the export type, and a download link. The export type simply indicates the format of the backup file you'll receive, so you know what to expect when you open it later. If you don't see any backups yet, that just means none have been generated for this organization. To create one, click the Backup button. Zoho Books will start preparing your data in the background. The time this takes can vary based on how much information is in your account, so give it a little time to finish. You can stay on this page while it works. Once the backup is ready, it will appear in the list automatically with the details I mentioned a moment ago. When you see the backup entry, take a quick look to confirm it's the one you want. Check the date and who created it so you're downloading the correct file. Then, simply click the download link associated with that backup. Your browser will begin downloading the file right away. If your browser asks where to save it, choose a location you'll remember, like a dedicated backups folder. If it downloads automatically, it will likely go to your default downloads folder. A couple of tips as you wrap up. Because backups contain sensitive financial information, store the file in a secure place and consider your organization's data retention policies. Keep your internet connection stable while downloading, especially if your backup is large. And if you're maintaining multiple backups over time, using clear file names and dates will make it easier to find the right one later. That's all there is to it. Click the gear icon, go to Data Management, create a backup if you don't have one yet, and then click the download link to get your data. You now know exactly how to download backup data in Zoho Books.